Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you what the columns is for in a pivot table. This can break out our sales by month or by fish or whatever. So rather than fish being the filter here, let's just drag that over to the columns. So now we have a breakdown of what type of fish was purchased, or how many dollars in each type of fish each customer purchased, and that's how you use the columns. This is oftentimes useful when you're looking for a date range. If you drag the date down here, it defaults to putting the months in here, which is handy when you're dealing with a year's worth of information. But if you don't like that, then you can drag the months right off, and then it breaks it down by just the date itself. So we can see that we sold $3,900 worth on June 10th, so on and so forth. So that's what the columns is for in a pivot table, and thank you for watching.